Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Khan Technical channel. This is Muhammad Ariful Islam. Today we are unboxing and review the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple's titanium masterpiece that continued to hold its ground in 2025. In this video, we'll explore what's inside the box, talk about the design, performance, camera and battery, and most importantly, I will explain why the iPhone 15 Pro Max is still worth buying in 2025 instead of jumping to the iPhone 16 or 17 model. Let's begin the unboxing. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in a sleek white box with the phone's picture on the top. Underneath, the natural titanium finish look absolutely stunning. iPhone 15 Pro Max you will find the USB-C to C cable, the paperwork and the single Apple sticker. No charging brick, no earphones. And here it is. The natural titanium finish looks absolutely stunning. On the left side, there is action button replacing the old mute switch. The action button is fully customizable. You can set it to open camera, active silent mode, record a voice memo, or even trigger a shortcut. And at the bottom, finally, a USB Type-C port, no more lightning cables. The titanium frame gives it a matte finish that doesn't attract fingerprints, and rounded design make it more comfortable to hold. It's solid premium and slightly lighter, but it still has that iconic iPhone feel. The device is IP68 water and dust resistant, meaning it can survive being submerged up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. The 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display is one of the brightest and smoothest in the world. It uses ProMotion with adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, meaning buttery smooth scrolling and better battery efficiency. Peak brightnesses reach 2000 nits outdoor, making it super readable even under direct sunlight. HDR video look vibrant and deep black and sharp contrast. The dynamic island remains, showing notifications, calls and live activities in a sleek interactive space. Audio from the stereo speaker is loud and clear, excellent for gaming, music or streaming content. Powering the iPhone is the A17 Pro Chip built on a 3nm processor. It is one of the fastest smartphone processor ever made Apple. The 6-core CPU and new GPU deliver console-level performance with hardware-accelerated ray tracking for realistic lighting in games, paired with 8 GB of RAM. Multitasking is seamless. Storage option range from 256 and up to 1 TB. Great for photographers and videographers. Thanks to USB Type-C 3.2 Generation 2, you can now connect external drive, transfer ProRes videos, or output 4K video to monitors all straight from your phone. Everyday use is snappy, smooth, and reliable, as you would expect from a Pro Max. On the camera side, the iPhone 15 Pro Max introduced a new 5x telephoto periscope lens exclusive to this model. The setup includes a 48 megapixel main wide lens, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel 5x telephoto. Photo looks crisp, detailed, and natural with excellent dynamic range. Apple's image processing keeps skin tone realistic and shadows balanced. Low light performance has also improved. Less noise, better clarity for video. It's still the industry leader. 4K 60Hz recording, ProRes format, log capture, and cinematic mode. Whether you are a casual user or content creator, this camera system is incredibly versatile. The battery life on the iPhone 15 Pro Max easily lasts a full day for heavy use, up to 29 hours of video playback. It is one of the Apple's best performance. It supports 20-watt wired charging and 15-watt MagSafe and QI2 wireless charging. A 30-minute charge gets you to around 50%, not the fastest but efficient and safe for battery health. Power management on the iOS 18 is well optimized, keeping thermal stable even during gaming or video editing. But you can upgrade ISO with the latest version 26. Now the big question, why you buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2025? First, performance. The A17 Pro Chip is still incredibly powerful, more than enough for gaming, video editing, or multitasking for years to come. Second, design. The titanium frame, USB Type-C, and 5x telephoto are major upgrades that still feel fresh even in 2025. Third, price. In 2025, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is more affordable than when it's launched, giving you flagship performance for a lowest price. And lastly, stability. Apple software upgrades ensure you will get new iOS version and security patches until at least 2030. The iPhone 16 Pro and 17 Pro only bring minor improvement, smaller bezel and slightly better chip, but nothing drastically new. So if you are upgrading from an iPhone 12, 13 and 14, this is a smart buy right now. To wrap up, the iPhone 15 Pro Max remain a flagship in every sense. Premium design, incredible performance, professional grade camera and top tier battery life. Even in 2025, it delivers everything most user needs. Go for it with confidence. Thank you for watching this full review and unboxing. This is Muhammad Ariful Islam and you have been watching Khan Technical channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to stay updated with more honest tech content. Allah Hafiz and see you in the next video.